Could be a short video, but this is what I did. I didn't install that. Some idiot did. Anyway, I got this secondhand radio there for $3. It's my third radio from him. That's what it is. And it works. The light works. And it doesn't burn out. Apparently when you install a 12 volt light LED in, put a capacitor to it. I didn't last time, and it screwed the radio up inside. And that's the story of it. I put, you can see the goop on it. I use this glue gun to put that on, and I glued it in, as you see. Anyway, short video. Don't know what year of this thing. I think it's an 02 and 05. Well, that's about it. It's no radio. It works. Now, if you put one of those capacitors on to the light, it protects it. It's not burning out. He says that's a fuse. Anyway. SWR, I can go down to put 1.5 with this. The way I have a makeshift antenna, but I'm getting a new antenna and all that shit. Anyway, that's it. See, it works. Brightens, lowers. Snow Classic, 29 Cobra Classic, LTD. But I don't know if this clock works. Now it does. Something inside was tinkering inside with all the, what do you call those things? Anyway, I'll take pictures of it, show you all the settings inside. I put it back to factory specs, and hopefully it works with it. I was comparing to other radios, and I know each radio has their own setting, but frequencies, but I've noticed all of them are all screwed up. Okay, you see these settings here, this one and this one. These two and this one. That's for your modulation, that's for your needle in front. That's for your signal. And this one here must be for, I don't know, I can't remember now. But anyway, these two were also on the whack too. So I had to readjust these all back to factory specs, so the radio could work right. That down there is for your voltage, how many volts you want to put out. I can't bother with that, but I was watching videos and I noticed the guy was showing inside the radio, and I noticed this was off and this was off, so I put these back where they were, put this back where it was for factory. This is back to the factory. That's back to the factory, so is this one and this one. And when this one. So as I turn it on, the squawk works. I used to turn it and never it would work. Now I just put these back where they were, these two. I know that one's okay. These ones you don't touch because they're all set, but somebody touched these three. And all this. Had them all turned up. This was turned up all right here. This one here is right here. And that one there is facing there. So that's what I did to the radio, and I installed the light, which works now. I just glued it in there. It was burned out, and I put a resistor to it. And that guy put that LED there on before. He said it was a fuse. So there's the old radio, but it has no backplate. So I don't know if it's hawked or what or whatever. So anyway, I got from this, the third radio I got from the guy, and yeah, anyway, won't go there. So that's the radio. Battery's dying, so I'll let you go. Over out. Have fun. Well, that's what I did. Ran the cable to the window, up and around, and through a hole I made. That's duct tape sitting there. Fit it through there, made a hole, ran the cable, down, down, there's the box, to the radio. The other thing is, there's the splicer, right there. I'll get proper ones soon. The connector. And the funny thing is, see the other knot? I put a light in it. With a resistor. And I'll put it on 20. Oops, shaking around. Go on first. Put it on call. It is on down. There, okay, it's on the mark. There's my SWR 1.1. That's same on 40. 1.1 on the call. A little over. .1, I do believe. Yeah, 1.1. And 20, 1.1. So I got a 50-foot cable, plus with whatever on the antenna, the makeshift one, the Tram 300 watts. I was going to put 4 ground planes on it. I'll take a picture of it and show you sometime. And that's a 9-foot cable hooked to this from that splicer. So there's 2 splicers on this, or 2 connectors. And 50 feet of cable plus 9 feet of cable. So 59 feet. So if I had 100 feet of cable on this, it would be the flattest could be. I'd get out to about a radio and about an Antron. People are saying they're no good, but I'll find out when I get it up there. But I'm getting out with this thing. Anyway, that's about it. As I put it on my computer stand. Bolted underneath it there, as you can see. $3 radio. Put the light in with the resistor, as you can see in the next video. And there it is. Right. I'm also using a high gain mic, power mic. I set it up 9. That's Dynamic. It's on full. I can turn this on full, RF gain's on full, delta tone, even the squawks now works. Before it didn't. I had to do some adjustments inside the radio. Okay, that's it.